You'll need this refractor gadget to restore power to the city's defense grid. Those laser beams are red hot, so make sure you turn the refractor field on before you touch them. Good luck.
The refractor will let... The refractor will let you redirect laser beams. Just The refractor can reflect beam attacks at enemies. Just hold L1 to aim the Ratchet, there should be a spider symbol somewhere in that room. Use the beam to lead the spider drone.
Hey, look, it's Al. Got the shields up yet?
Silence! I am concentrating.
What the? That's a Qwark vid comic.
Excuse me. It is a historically accurate interactive graphic novel.
How can you use the city's defense network to play a video game?
Simple. I bypassed the security server with a 626 hex matrix adapter and reprogrammed the graphic subprocessor.
No, I mean, it's... Clank, you speak, nerd.
It appears you have a feedback loop in the induction coils of your DB3 signal processor.
Impossible! I ran a recursive checksum on the signal matrix. Hey, there is a feedback loop. I don't know what happened.
May we borrow this vid comic?
Treat it gently. It is a first edition.
Perhaps this will help restore Qwark's memory.
Shield power restored.